Hello YouTubers, this is Gentil Garçon once again to show you how to replace a 3-prong power cord on an electric GE power dryer. So the problem that we're facing today here is that our power cord on the washer is actually short. We will replace the power cord with a 6-foot power cord that I went to buy at Home Depot. So as you can see back here, our outlet here is actually short, an L shape and a 2 connector on the side. On the back of the dryer, as you can see, it's actually showing you how to install it. So you have hot and another hot here, and you have your ground. So it doesn't matter which side or each side you put the hot, because we're dealing here with a 250 volt alternative both are here, and in the middle we have a neutral dryer. So the tools that we'll be using today is a 1/4-inch socket, as you can see here in the picture on the camera, a ratchet that fits into it, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so we're gonna start first to remove the back panel that secure the connectors on the back of the dryer. So we're gonna remove our quarter-inch screw from the back panel. Now, as you can see, we are removing our Phillips screws. Now we finally remove the back panel. As you can see, we have our neutral or copper plate connected directly to the case of the dryer, and we have our L here and another L here, and our neutral. So we will remove these 2 screws here and remove this. So we're gonna go ahead and remove our Phillips screws. They are securing the power connectors terminal, as I can say. So me removing those 3 Phillips screws, as well as the copper plate that is connecting the ground to the case, rear case. Alright, we're putting our copper plate on the side. Now we are removing our strain reliefs plate by removing those 2 screws. They secure it on the power cord strain reliefs. We're removing it. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out these 4-foot power cord, and we're gonna go ahead and replace it with a 6-foot 3-prong power cord. we're gonna install our three prong paracord. So first thing, we're gonna go ahead and secure the terminals without forgetting about the copper plate that is here to connect the grounding of the case to the ground wire. So we're gonna secure that first. We're gonna tighten it very well. Make sure it's tight enough to have a good connection for our ground. And we're gonna secure that plate against the rear case of the dryer. Very tight. It's good. So we're gonna go ahead and install our the rest of the two Phillips screws. They are securing the terminal against the dryer. So we're gonna go ahead and install our strain reliefs. And finally, we're gonna install our back cover that is protecting the terminal compartment. Great. Okay, so we're gonna test our dryer.